4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know, that's fun. So, oh my God. You're doing some bounce action, you shake your shoulders. Hey guys, today we're cooking again, and this time this is going to be breakfast, my favorite delicious breakfast. It's actually very simple, very simple, and we only need for 1 minute to boil our eggs in the pan. Okay, so now let's get to the business. I'm gonna show you. First of all, we have to boil the water, right? While we're boiling the water, I'm going to cut my avocado right there. That's how I'm preparing my breakfast almost every other day. Okay, so of course I have to put a little salt, and you know what else I like? Extra virgin olive oil, organic of course, just a little bit, okay, for the taste. Also we have to put salt in our water, so our water will boil faster. Okay. Taram pam 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 pam. We're gonna shake our hips a bit. We're gonna shake our shoulder and chest. So we're gonna do a little workout, burn some calories, and then we're gonna put them back in the body. Okay, the water is about to be ready. Almost ready. Let me explain. So what we have to do with the egg, we have to break it right here, okay? Not right. See, I'm gonna do it just right there, see? So I have to again make a funnel like tornado first before I put the egg inside. See? Putting the egg. Now look. See? It's turning around, it's moving, spinning. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know, that's fun. So like you're moving, you're doing some bounce action, you shake your shoulders, you can move your hips, see? And then but while you're doing that, 1 minute go fast so quick. So quick. Okay, I think 1 minute is over. Now I'm gonna take this spoon. You see it has holes in it, so it's better just like that. Okay, where's my egg? Just watch. Yes, look at this. Just put it here, and just give me a second. I'm gonna do the second egg. Our poached eggs is ready with avocado and some little bread slice under it. I like it with a smoked salmon. Oh my God. So we'll put some style on it. I don't like just plain poached eggs. I like salmon with avocado and little bread. It looks super delicious already. I'm about to eat it. Okay guys, this was poached eggs within 1 minute breakfast. Repeat it and do it every day, and you're gonna love it, you're gonna enjoy it. You know, I wish you success and luck, and see you soon.